Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to delete WhatsApp storage using Android phone. To clear your WhatsApp storage in your Android phone, follow these 2 steps. First of all, go to your WhatsApp app and then tap on this 3 dot at the top right, and here tap on settings. Once you are in your WhatsApp account settings page, here tap on storage and data. And now tap on manage storage, and here review and delete items, tap on this icon, and here you will find all of your sent date and received medias in your WhatsApp. And now, as you can see, currently my WhatsApp is using 145.6 megabyte storage on my Android phone. So these all are medias I've sent and received on my WhatsApp chats. Now all you have to need to free up your WhatsApp storage, you have to delete all of them, or you can manually select any media to delete. Once you select it, now just tap on this delete icon, tap on delete, and this will clear your WhatsApp storage. And the second option is you have to go to your Android phone settings or hard press on WhatsApp app and just tap on this eye icon, and you will directly jump into WhatsApp settings page. Here scroll down and just tap on storage, and here as you can see, cache files, my cache file is 5.54 megabytes. So all you have to need, go ahead and you have to delete your WhatsApp cache files, and that's how you will be able to clear your WhatsApp storage on your Android phone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.